I hate long game load time. I hate it so much. Many times I only have a few minutes to play, so waiting too long for the game to load is not an option. But who can afford a brand new Series X console? Or who would buy the cheaper Series S when it has only half of tera of storage? So I decided to open up my modest Xbox One S all-digital edition and replace the very slow hard drive with an SSD I found lying around. Unscrew all the screws you see except the 4 screws that hold the CPU's cooler.
Lift the top cover. Use this opportunity to clean up all the dust inside. I broke my prying tool and had to use a screwdriver, which left some marks on the soft plastic. Unscrew 3 more screws and unplugged the panel. Unscrew 5 more screws and unplug the second panel. Unscrew 2 more screws and open up the metal shield. Unplug 2 hard drive wires. As I said, this is a very basic and cheap 5400 RPM SATA hard drive. Unscrew 4 more screws. Unplug the hard drive connector. I was afraid to lose my game process, so at first I tried to clone the disk. It took hours for the clone process to complete, but the console did not boot afterwards, so I abandoned this idea. Instead of cloning, download Microsoft Offline System Upgrade file. Format the flash disk as NTFS. Extract and copy this folder to your flash disk. Now go to Troubleshoot and Offline System Update. Your game process will automatically download when you start a game with your account. According to all tests, upgrading from mechanical hard drive to SSD will improve loading times considerably. Have a nice day!